Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing a Today we are going to be doing a tote bag unboxing. I haven't done an unboxing on my page before, so I'm super excited. Usually my sister is the one who buys all the bags and stuff. I'm gonna blame this purchase on her. So let me get the box. Alright guys, so this is all the zooming outage that I can do right now. So we purchased these, I don't know, what day was that? I have to look it up. But I'm super excited. This is the MARC JACOBS tote bag. Why haven't I said what it was yet? I'll put it in the title somewhere, you know. This is the MARC JACOBS tote bag. And then what size is this? This is the small, because I mean the large one looked like super huge, overnight baggy, and then the mini one was too small. So the small looked like the perfect size to get. And alright, so this bag is, I don't know why the box is yellow, but whatever. So this is obviously my bag. I can tell from the wrapping that this one is red. I got a red one. And then my sister, who's elected to not be in this video today, is going to take her bag. Here you go, 20 poos. Alright, I'm so excited. I sing, I'm excited. It might not be good, but it's what I feel inside. So, where's the front? Alright guys, so it's in this plastic, and we're gonna take it off. Ooh, the big reveal. Oh my god, so cute. Yes. You know, red's my favorite color. My nails are red right now. Okay, so it feels really nice. It says Le Tote Bag, MARC JACOBS. And like I said, this is a really good size. I don't know, maybe I should pull it up on my phone so I can look up. Okay, MARC JACOBS red tote bag. Okay, description. A go-to carry-all that's ready for anything you throw in it. This small tote features a zipper closure and can be worn by the top handle or the removable leather crossbody strap that I hate and I never use when they come in my bag. I throw them into an abyss of emptiness because I never use that part. Now available in a luxe natural grain leather featuring embossed signature logo. Features: interior zip pocket, removable leather strap, natural grain leather. Dimensions. Girl, I'm not gonna read I don't know all them numbers and stuff, girl. This what size it is. I'll put it in the description box. But this is what size it is. I have a big face. This is the bag. It's awesome sauce. Oh, and it's got that bottom part, so you know, if the bag doesn't collapse, you put something in it and then it just falls into the bottom. It's not gonna do that for you, girl. So let's take all this stuff off. We don't need no scissors. I'm so happy Leila's over there opening hers. You gotta show yours too, girl. Oh, I like the zipper. Oh, everything's all packaged so nice. Look at, oh, it's got the bag on the inside that comes with it. The strap. Ew. Take that off. A whole bunch of paper. I'll just throw. How much paper is in here? A lot. Oh my goodness, I'm still taking paper out. Is that it? Is that anything else? Last thing. Okay. Oh, it's so nice. It feels so nice, guys. It feels like really quality. Really good quality. So you've got this. It's not a pocket. It just says the MARC JACOBS style tote bag, New York City, 1984. Super cute. I love this red. Beautiful. I don't know what I'm supposed to do with that, but the inside.
You could tie a scarf and stuff to it.
I'm not tying a scarf to it. Wait, it's got a good amount of space in here. Look at that. Look at all that space, child. Ugh. Oh, let me see your bag, Lila. Since she didn't want to be in my video, we're gonna feature her bag. Oh, it's the cream? I thought it was cement.
Cement.
Did you just lie to my face? This is the cement color that's blending into my background here. But it's pretty. Little bag, Marc Jacobs. I think hers has silver hardware. Or is it gold? Looks like it's like, I can't tell. Is that silver? Wait, kind of looking kind of gold. It's gold. So yeah, she's got the little, she's got 1, 2 in hers. A little flat pocket thing with the zipper on it. So I'm glad you made us buy these bags. I'm glad that you forced me against my will to buy this bag because it's beautiful. Let's see them side by side. Love these colors. We are going to be 20. Love it. So make sure you like this video, subscribe if you want to be entered into my giveaway. All you have to do is be a subscriber. It's that easy. Come back and watch another tutorial, and I hope you guys have a good night.